Good morning, students. This is the class 9 subject social science, and this is chapter 3rd of civics, and the topic is constitutional design, and this is the lecture 5th. This is the summary lecture. And student, in previous 4 lecture we have studied about constitution, the importance of constitution, and South African constitution also. So student, in this lecture we will recall all important topic of this chapter. So let's start. And today we will discuss about democratic constitution in South Africa, then constitution, importance of constitution, and the constituent assembly means the constitution prepared by constituent assembly with the help of 299 members, and the preamble, it is the soul of the constitution, and preamble contains the basic idea and the principle of the constitution. And last we solve some question. That question I have already assigned in previous lecture. So student, let's start. First, democratic constitution in South Africa. And student, in South Africa, apartheid was a system. Apartheid system was practiced in South Africa, and apartheid was a racial discrimination. Means people discriminated on the basis of their skin color, and it was practiced in 1948 to 94 by the white minority. White minority means Europeans against the majority of population such as blacks. Blacks means the native people of South Africa were the blacks. Indians means the people who migrated from India were called Indians, and the people of mixed races were called colored. So it was the apartheid system. And second, apartheid divide the people. Under the policy of apartheid, it divided the people and labeled them on the basis of their skin color and treated as inferior and treated as bad people. And non-white did not have voting rights, and they were forbidden from living in white area. They were not allowed to enter in white areas. And student, train, buses, taxi, hotel, hospitals, cinema hall, swimming pool, people toilets were all separate for the whites and the blacks. And the blacks did not have voting rights, and the blacks could not visit the churches where the white worship. And train, buses are separate for the white and blacks, and this was called segregation. Segregation means the separation of all things, all facilities such as. And the black, colored and Indian fought against the apartheid system from 1950. Student, at last the black people of South Africa were totally fed up with the cruelty of white ruler, and nobody in the country could raise his voice, and they were tolerating the discrimination and cruelty done by white African government, and everybody wanted to let them out from his country. That is why since 1950 the black, colored and Indian fought against the apartheid system. And in South Africa, the African National Congress was formed, and it was an umbrella organization. And many white means many sensitive European who opposed the policy of apartheid also joined this organization. And student, this system, their struggle against the system became a revolt, and the many white and black opposed the policy of apartheid system. So they joined the organization and protested against the policy of white government. And Nelson Mandela was the leader of African National Congress, and other 7 leaders were sentenced to life imprisonment in 1964 for daring to oppose the apartheid regime in his country. And Nelson Mandela and other leaders were arrested, and they were sentenced to life imprisonment in 1964 by the white European for daring to oppose the apartheid system, and he spent 28 years in South Africa jail, and it was a jail situated in Robben Island, and it was very dangerous jail. And after 20 years, Nelson Mandela was released from jail, and finally at midnight of the 26th April 1994, the new national flag of the Republic of South Africa were unfurled, and the South Africa got independence, and the Nelson Mandela became the first president of independent South Africa. So student, साउथ अफ्रीका के जो डेमोक्रेटिक कंडीशन कैसी थी, वहाँ पे जैसे कि हमारे यहाँ महात्मा गांधी जी फ्रीडम फाइटर थे, और महात्मा गांधी जी से बहुत ज़्यादा इंस्पायर थे नेल्सन मंडेला जी इन साउथ अफ्रीका में। और साउथ अफ्रीका में भी वहाँ पे रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होता था, जो क्या यूरोपियन कंट्रीज़ जो यहाँ 17वीं सेंचुरी में जो ट्रेडिंग करने के बहाने आई थी और यहीं पे आके सेटल हो गए थे और वो लोकल रूलर बन गए थे, और आने के बाद उन्होंने अपार्टी सिस्टम स्टार्ट कर दिया था, जिसकी वजह से वो क्या है, वहाँ के जो नेटिव पीपल थे, जो ब्लैक पीपल थे, उनके साथ बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्क्रिमिनेट करते थे, उनके लिए हर चीज़ सेग्रीगेशन करती थी, जैसे कि सेपरेशन हो गया था, जैसे कि बसेस का, ट्रेन का, चर्चेज और बेसिक फैसिलिटी वर सेपरेट। एंड द स्टूडेंट, तो कंडीशन बहुत ज़्यादा वहाँ पे जो ब्लैक पीपल थे, उनकी कंडीशन बहुत ज़्यादा बेकार हो गई थी, और इसी वजह से जो नेल्सन मंडेला थे, उन्होंने अपार्टी सिस्टम को ख़त्म करने के लिए अपने एक ग्रुप बनाया, उस ग्रुप को नाम दिया गया अफ्रीकन नेशनल कांग्रेस, और इट वाज एन अम्ब्रेला ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, और उसमें बहुत सारे यूनियन वर्कर्स थे और कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी के वर्कर्स थे, और इसमें अलग जो सेंसिटिव यूरोपियंस भी थे, वो चाहते थे कि कंट्री में अपार्टी सिस्टम नहीं होना चाहिए, तो उन्होंने मिलकर अपने एक कांग्रेस बनाई जिसका नाम था अफ्रीकन नेशनल कांग्रेस, और उन्होंने अपार्टी सिस्टम को हटाने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोटेस्ट किया, और इसी वजह से वाइट रिजिम यानी वाइट गवर्नमेंट ने नेल्सन मंडेला और 8 उनके साथ लीडर थे, उनको पकड़ के जेल में डाल दिया, और नेल्सन मंडेला ने 28 साल जेल में बिताए, और 28 साल के बाद जब वो जेल से बाहर आए, तो बाहर आने के बाद बहुत उनमें क्या हुआ, वहाँ पे तो गवर्नमेंट को रियलाइज़ होगा कि अब हमारे ज़्यादा पावर नहीं चलने वाली, और उन्होंने क्या कर दिया, 26 1994 को साउथ अफ्रीका क्या हो गया, इंडिपेंडेंस हो गया, और नेल्सन मंडेला साउथ अफ्रीका के पहले प्रेसिडेंट बने थे। एंड द स्टूडेंट, आफ्टर 2 years of discussion and debates, leader of South Africa came out with one of the finest constitution. And the student, after 2 year discussion and constitution provided some rights, all were given equal rights, and a new South Africa based on equality of all races of men and women was built, and ban on political parties were restriction on the media were lifted. And after 2 years of discussion, they came out of finest constitution, and the South African constitution inspires democrats all over the world. And the student, constitution gave to citizen most extensive rights such as all were equal, and together they decide that in search for solution to the problem, and nobody should be excluded, and they provided equal right to all citizens, and ban on political party and restriction on the media were lifted. So it was the condition of South Africa constitution. And student, next, constitution. The constitution is the supreme law of the country, and the constitution of a country is a set of written rules that are accepted by all people living together in a country, and the constitution is the supreme law that determines the relationship among people living in a country, and the relationship among people living and the also relationship between the people and the government. And importance of constitution, because it generates a degree of trust and coordination that is necessary for different kind of people to live together. And next, it specify how the government will be constituted, who will have power to take which decision. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हमें रूल्स प्रोवाइड करता है कि हमें एक साथ रहने के लिए हमें कैसे रहना चाहिए, और सभी जो सिटीज़न उसको फॉलो करते हैं, क्योंकि जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है वो क्या करता है, सभी लोगों में कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है वो क्या है, सोसाइटी के लोगों के बीच में क्या है, ट्रस्ट और कोऑर्डिनेशन को बना के रखता है। क्योंकि हमारी जो कंट्री है वो क्या डाइवर्स कंट्री, और यहाँ पे डिफरेंट कस्टम, डिफरेंट रिलीजन और डिफरेंट कास्ट के लोग रहते हैं, उनकी बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं। तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन उनको एक उनको सोल्यूशन प्रोवाइड करता है, और जिसकी वजह से वो क्या करते हैं, आराम से सारी प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन किया जाता है। और इट स्पेसिफाई हाउ द गवर्नमेंट विल कॉन्स्टिट्यूट, इट सेपरेट द work of the government, and the constitution provided 3 organs of the government such as legislative, executive and judiciary. And constitution will check the work of the government, and constitution decided who will have the power to take which decision. Means decision किसके पास है, कौन डिसीजन लेगा, और किसके पास कौन सा काम है, कौन से राइट्स हैं, ये सारे जो फैसिलिटी हैं वो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन प्रोवाइड करता है। एंड इट ले डाउन लिमिट ऑन द पावर ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट, एंड इट टेल अस व्हाट द राइट ऑफ द सिटीजन्स। इट एक्सप्रेसेस द एस्पिरेशन ऑफ द पीपल अबाउट क्रिएटिंग गुड सोसाइटी। इट ले डाउन द लिमिट ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट, एंड इट चेक द वर्क ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट, एंड गवर्नमेंट के जो भी काम, जो भी पावर, उसको चेक करता है, और उसको वो कहीं कोई गवर्नमेंट अपनी पावर का मिसयूज़ तो नहीं कर रहा है, उसको चेक करता है। और ये गवर्नमेंट्स है वो सिटीजन्स के फंडामेंटल राइट्स को प्रोवाइड करता है, जिसकी वजह से सोसाइटी में सभी को क्या है, मॉरल वैल्यूज़ प्रोवाइड की जाती हैं। गुड सोसाइटी बनाने के लिए उनको नए नए मॉरल वैल्यूज़, बहुत सारी एस्पिरेशन प्रोवाइड की जाती हैं, जिससे कि जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जो है वो गुड सोसाइटी बनाने के लिए बहुत सारे प्रोविज़न बनाता है। इसी वजह से हम आज तक 70 साल तक हमने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को फॉलो करते हैं। एंड द मेकिंग ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, स्टूडेंट, लाइक साउथ अफ्रीका इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन was not very easy, because due to partition of people on the basis of religion, and at least 10 lakh people were killed on both sides of the border in partition related violence, and the merge of princely state also difficult and uncertain task. So student, in the making of Indian constitution, first in 1928, Motilal Nehru was the father of Jawaharlal Nehru, and the Jawaharlal Nehru was the first prime minister of our India, and 8 other Congress leaders drafted a constitution for India. And in 1931, the resolution at the Karachi session, Karachi situated in Pakistan, of the Indian National Congress on how independent Indian constitution should look like. And both these documents were committed to the inclusion of the universal franchise, right to freedom, equality, and to protect the right of minority in the Constitution of Independent India. Student, मोतीलाल नेहरू जी और 8 अदर लीडर्स ने मिलके क्या है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का ड्राफ्ट प्रिपेयर किया था 1928 में। और जो कराची में 1931 में रेजोल्यूशन हुआ, यानी वहाँ पे नया कुछ प्रस्ताव रखा गया कि हमारे यहाँ जो भारत कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में है कि ये सब चीज़ें इंक्लूड होनी चाहिए, जैसे कि यूनिवर्सल फ्रेंचाइज मीन्स राइट टू वोट टू एवरी एडल्ट सिटीजन, फ्रीडम, इक्वालिटी एंड प्रोटेक्ट टू राइट ऑफ सिटीजन्स। हमारे संतृप्त भारत में ये सारी चीज़ें भी क्या होनी चाहिए, इंक्लूड होने चाहिए। उन्होंने ये ड्राफ्टिंग कमेटी, उन्होंने क्या ये प्रोविजन रखे थे। एंड आइडल्स ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन, एंड स्टूडेंट member of the drafting committee got the ideas of some principle from other countries, such as ideals of French Revolution, Ideals of French Revolution such as liberty, equality, and fraternity. And many Indian leaders were inspired by the ideals of the French Revolution, the resolution on liberty, equality, and fraternity, and the parliamentary democracy of Britain. Indian leaders were inspired by the practice of parliamentary democracy in Britain, and the Bills of Rights means Declaration of Fundamental Rights we got from the US, and the socialist revolution, the socialist economy of Russia also inspired the leader of India. And student, we got the idea from freedom of trade and concurrentist from USA, and the idea of preamble from Germany, and the federal form of government from South Africa, and the idea of liberty, equality, and fraternity from the Canada, and the procedure established by law we got the idea from France. Okay student, and next, Constituent Assembly. Constituent Assembly means the drafting of the document called the Constitution was done by an assembly. It was done by an assembly of elected representative called the Constituent Assembly. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के जो ड्राफ्ट को बनाने के लिए जो असेंबली बनाई गई थी, असेंबली इलेक्टेड, वहाँ पे क्या है, इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंट के द्वारा जो असेंबली बनाई गई उसको कहा गया था कॉन्स्टिट्यूट असेंबली. And the student election to the Constituent Assembly were held in July 1946, but its first meeting was held in 9 December 1946. And the Constituent Assembly that wrote the Indian Constitution had 299 members, and the Constituent Assembly adopted the Constitution on 26th November 1949. And the student, there were 388 members in the Constituent Assembly, but due to partition of India and Pakistan, and the Indian Constitution wrote by 299 members, and the Constitution of India prepared by Constituent Assembly on 26th November 1949. And it was enacted, means it was imposed on 26 January 1950, and to mark this day we celebrate it as the Republic Day every year. And the Jawaharlal Nehru declared Independence Day of India on 26 January 1931. Student, फर्स्ट मीटिंग हुई 9 दिसंबर 1946 को, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बन के रेडी हुआ 26 नवंबर 1949 को. तो इस प्रकार कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को बनने में लगभग 3 साल, लगभग यानी कि 2 साल 11 महीने 18 दिन लगे थे, लेकिन इसको इनेक्टेड यानी अप्लीकेबल किया था 26 जनवरी 1950 को. और उसी दिन को हम मार्क करते हुए, यानी कि उस दिन को हम क्या है, रिपब्लिक डे के रूप में मनाते हैं. 26 को हम रिपब्लिक डे के रूप में मनाते हैं. और 26 को ही हमने क्यों अप्लीकेबल किया, क्योंकि जो जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी थे, उन्होंने ही 26 जनवरी 1931 को इंडिपेंडेंट डे ऑफ इंडिया पहले से इन्होंने अनाउंस कर दिया था कि हमारा जो भारत 1931 में उन्होंने ये घोषणा कर दी थी कि हमें कंप्लीट इंडिपेंडेंट चाहिए. तो उन्होंने 26 जनवरी को 1931 को ही ये घोषणा कर दी थी. लेकिन बाद में जब भारत आज़ाद नहीं हो पाया, तो बाद में 26 नवंबर 1949 को कंप्लीट होने के बाद और 26 जनवरी को इम्पोर्टेंस देने के लिए हमने जो एप्लीकेबल किया है वो 26 जनवरी 1950 को हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्या हुआ, अप्लीकेबल हुआ. और रिपब्लिक डे के रूप में हम इसको सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. एंड एक्सेप्टेंस ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. And the student, the constitution represented the people of India and dominated by the Indian National Congress. And the constitution does not reflect the view of its member and the broad consensus of its time. And the student, the constitution represented by the Indian Constitution and the Assembly was dominated by the people of Indian National Congress, the party that led Indian freedom struggle, and the assembly represented members from different languages, group, caste, class, religious, and occupation. And the constitution does not reflects the view of assembly member alone. It expresses the broad consensus of its time, and the many countries of the world have had to rewrite their constitution afresh because the basic rules were not accepted to all major social group or political party, while in some other countries the constitution exists as a waste piece of paper and no one actually follow it. That means, student, in some countries, the constitution was not according to the aspiration of the people and the wishes of the people, and the people of this country even think the constitution does not suit and fit for their country's economically and social condition. But in our country, no large social group or political party has even questioned and objection the constitution itself that this is an unusual achievement for our constitution. स्टूडेंट, भारत को आज़ाद होने के 70 साल के बाद भी हम इसको कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को फॉलो करते हैं, क्योंकि जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है वो भारत के लोगों के द्वारा ही बनाया गया है। और उस समय जो पार्टी थी, जब देश आज़ाद हुआ था, उस समय जो पार्टी थी इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस थी, और उन्होंने ही हमारे देश का क्या है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाया था। लेकिन उसमें बहुत सारे थे, बहुत कास्ट के, बहुत रिलीजन के लोग थे, और उनमें भी क्या है बहुत डिस्प्यूट होता था। लेकिन फिर भी बहुत सारे बेसिक आइडिया लिए गए हैं जिसमें क्या है सभी धर्मों जातियों को ध्यान में रख के प्रोविज़न बनाए गए हैं। और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में केवल मेंबर्स के ही आइडियाज़ को उसमें फॉलो नहीं किया गया, बल्कि उसमें क्या है सभी लोगों के आइडियाज़ को फॉलो किया गया। और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाने में बहुत सारे प्रोविज़न लिए गए हैं और काफ़ी बार अमेंडमेंट किया है। इसमें कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाते हुए 2000 बार अमेंडमेंट्स किया गया है, और जो हम अपनी कंट्रीज़ को फॉलो करते हैं। और आज तक हमारी कंट्रीज़ में कोई भी सोशल ग्रुप या पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ने हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को कभी गलत नहीं ठहराया और उसको फॉलो करते हैं। बल्कि कोई और कंट्रीज़ हैं, उसमें कंट्रीज़ में केवल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एक कागज़ का टुकड़ा है, क्योंकि वहाँ पे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को फॉलो नहीं किया जाता है, क्योंकि वहाँ के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में बहुत सारे बेसिक आइडिया अभी भी क्या है उसमें इंक्लूड नहीं किए गए हैं। तो बहुत सारी कंट्रीज़ ने अपने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को दोबारा लिखा है, उसमें बहुत सारे न्यू आइडियाज़ फॉलो किए हैं। लेकिन जो हमारे भारत जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है वो केवल मेंबर्स के ही एक्सप्रेशन को एक्सप्रेस नहीं करता, बल्कि उनमें क्या है सभी लोगों के एक्सप्रेशन को क्या उसमें ध्यान रखा गया है। इसीलिए हम कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को फॉलो करते हैं। एंड द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली worked in a systematic, open and consensual manner. Firstly, some basic principles were decided or agreed upon. Our Constituent Assembly worked in a systematic and included all important basic ideas such as universal franchise, fraternity, equality, freedom, etc. And the student Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the chairman of Constituent Assembly, and Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was the chairman of drafting committee, and Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar prepared a draft constitution for discussion, and the B.R. Ambedkar is called the father of constitution, and he played a vital role in the making of the constitution, and he gave shape to the country to being a complete sovereign democratic republic and based on the universal franchise. And student, several rounds of thorough discussion took place on the draft constitution, and after long discussion, after 3 years of discussion, and the member such as 299 member deliberated for 114 days spread over 3 years, and every documents presented and every word spoken in the Constituent Assembly has been recorded and preserved. स्टूडेंट, जो भी भारत का संविधान को बनाते हुए जो भी वहाँ पे वर्ड्स कहा गए हैं, जो भी बात वहाँ पे की गई है, वहाँ पे उनको क्या है प्रॉपर रिकॉर्ड रख के रखा हुआ है, उनको प्रिजर्व करके रखा गया है। और वहाँ पे लंबे डिस्कशन के बाद हमारे भारत का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्या होता बन के रेडी हुआ था। इसलिए हम अपने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को फॉलो करते हैं, और उसमें सारे प्रोविज़न को क्या है बहुत ही ध्यान से लिखा गया है, और सभी कास्ट और सभी रिलीजन को ध्यान में रख के हम हमारा जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को क्या है सभी को फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड करता है। And the preamble, preamble is the soul of Indian Constitution. And student, The preamble of the Constitution reads like a poem of democracy, and the preamble of the Constitution contains the basic idea and principle and the philosophy on which the entire Constitution has been built. Means preamble contains basic idea and principle of the Constitution, and it is also called the soul of Indian Constitution. And we got the idea of preamble from American model. Okay. And the ideas of the preamble: first, equality. Equality means all people are equal before law. Republic, the head of the state is an elected person. Secular, we respect and follow any religion. Fraternity, all of us should behave as we are the member of the same family. Justice means citizen cannot be discriminated on the basis of caste, religion, etc. And democratic means a form of government where people enjoy equal political rights and elect their ruler and hold them accountable. Others such as socialist, liberty, we are the people, etc. And these are the ideas of the preamble. And here your homework solution, and first question is rewrite the false statement. And the first is leader of the freedom movement and an open mind about whether the country should be democratic or not after independence. Answer is leader of the democratic movement had a consensus that the country should be democratic nation after independence. Question number second, first ka B part. Member of the Constituent Assembly of India held the same view on all provision Constitution. No, it's not true. Member of the Constituent Assembly did not have the same opinion on all provision, and the text of the Constitution was debated for 114 days, and there were more than 200 amendments that were moved. And question number first C part, a country that has a constitution must be democracy. Answer is a country that is a democracy must have a constitution. And D, constitution cannot be amended because it is the supreme law of a country. No, it can be amended. The constitution can be amended as it should be accordance with people aspiration and change in society. Question number second, which of these was the most silent underlying conflict in the making of a democratic constitution in South Africa? And the option are between South Africa and its neighbor, between men and women, and between the white majority and the black majority and white minority, and between the colored minority and the black majority. The answer is C, between the white minority and the black majority. Question number third, which of these is a provision that a democratic constitution does not have? Answer is name of the head of the state, because in a democracy the head is chosen by the people of the country and he and she works for the welfare of the people. And question number 4, match the following. Motilal Nehru, prepared a constitution for India in 1928. And the second, Bhimrao Ambedkar, chairman of the drafting committee. C, Rajendra Prasad, President of the Constituent Assembly, and Sarojini Naidu, Member of the Constituent Assembly. Question number 5. Sovereign means people have the supreme right to make decision. Second, Republic means head of the state is an elected person. And C, fraternity means people should live like brother and sister. And secular means government will not favor any religion. And sixth, read the following statement, give reason why each of these is true or not true. Answer is the authority of the rules of the constitution is the name as that of any other law. It's not true, because constitution is supreme law. It describes power of the government, right of citizen, and the authority of the rules of the constitution is much more than that of any other law. And sixth ka B, Constitution lays down how different organ of the government will be formed. This is true. The Constitution separates the power of different organ of the government such as legislative, executive and judiciary, and the state the process on formation such as election procedure for legislature. And C, rights of citizen and limits on the power of the government are laid down in the constitution. This is true. Constitution set up limit the power of the government to different institution and also describes right of citizens. And D, a constitution is about institution, not about values. This is false. Because the constitution gives equal importance to value, for example, the human values, and the preamble of the constitution promotes equality, liberty, secular, democratic, socialism, justice, etc. And question number 7 explains ideas of the preamble of the Indian Constitution. And answer is equality. All are equal before the law, and the government should ensure equal opportunity for all. Second, republic. The head of the state is an elected person and it is not a hereditary position. And democratic, a form of government where people enjoy equal political rights, elect their rulers and hold them accountable. And fourth, secular. Citizens have freedom to follow any religion and government treat all religion equal. Sovereign. People have supreme right to make decision on internal as well as external matters. No external power can dictate the government of India. And student, your homework today, your homework is solve assignment. And student, you can get the assignment from EdQuack site. And test will conduct on 19th May on Tuesday at EdQuack site at 11 a.m. and submit your answer sheet till 11:40 a.m. And student, you will submit your answer sheet till 11:40 and the question paper will remove from EdQuack site after 11:40. स्टूडेंट आपने 11 o'clock अपनी EdQuack साइट पे अपना क्वेश्चन पेपर देखना है और 40 मिनट्स में आपने अपना क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व करके और EdQuack साइट पे ही सेंड करना है। अगर आपकी EdQuack साइट प्रॉपर नहीं चल रही है तो आपने 11:40 तक मेल करके आपने अपने आंसर सबमिट कराने हैं और 11:40 के बाद जो क्वेश्चन पेपर है वो EdQuack साइट से रिमूव हो जाएगा। Okay student, and solve assignment in your fair notebook and keep learning, and thank you.